Y'all crazy. Y'all see him? Say what's up to the camera. Say what's up to the camera. Say what's up to the camera. All right, first fish of the year. Nothing big. On chicken liver, nice little carp, sucker, whatever you want to call it. All right, I need some. I'm really trying to catch me something little because I need bait for my big poles. Little sucker, he pretty blue. All right, first fish. He a sucker. Some people might call it a buffalo carp, pretty blue. All right, getting it started. Back to the water. He don't even